The angles in a quadrilateral always add to 360 degrees. That's not difficult to think about, because if we take a quadrilateral, and in this case I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and then we draw in a diagonal, what we have is two triangles. And we know that a triangle has angles which add up to 180. So for a rectangle, or any quadrilateral, it's just going to be two lots of 180, which is 360. So that's going to help us find x here, because we know these four angles must add up to 360. So that's x, add 138, add 90, add another 90, must be equal to 360. So if we do 138, add 90, add 90, that's 318. So x plus 318 is 360. And then just subtract 318 from both sides. So we'll do 360, take away my last answer, giving me 42 degrees. In exactly the same way here, these four angles must add up to 360. So that's x, add 69, add 126, add 58 is 360. So we'll add 69 and 126 and 58. That's 253. So x plus 253 is 360. So just subtract 253 from each side. So 360, take away 253, gives me 107 degrees. Now here we don't know the four angles inside the quadrilateral, but we can work out this angle because what we have down here is a straight line. And we know that the angles on a straight line add to 180. So this angle here is just going to be 180, take away 138. So that would give me 42 degrees. Now we have the four angles. One of them is an unknown, but we know that they will add together to give us 360. So we've got the 138, add 83, add 42, which is 263. So x plus 263 is 360. So x is going to be 360, take away 263, and that gives me 97 degrees. Here we don't really need to use the fact that the quadrilateral adds up to 360. We can see we've got a trapezium because of the two parallel sides, and if we look here we have a Z. So that means that this is 24 degrees. This side and this side are the same, so we have an isosceles trapezium. And that means that the base angle here is the same as this one, so that's 58 degrees. So we can say that x is equal to 58, the whole angle, take away 24. So all we need to do is 58 take away 24. That gives us 34 degrees. Now once again here we have parallel lines. We know two of the angles, and the third one is x in this quadrilateral. But we can work this one out because of the parallel lines, which we can see here and here. if we do this, we can see that we have an F shape. So the angle here and this one are corresponding, and corresponding angles are equal. So this one is 112. And now we can say that x plus 112 plus 52 plus 110, that's got to add up to 360. So if we do the 112, add 52, add 110, that's 274. So x plus 274 is 360. So that's 360, take away 274. So x is 86 degrees. We know that angles around a point add to 360. So if we want this angle here, we can do 360, take away 149, take away 109. And that gives us that this one here is 102. And of course we know this one is 90. So the four angles here, x, 102, 97 and 90, have to add to 360. So 102, add 97, add 90, gives us 289. And so x is going to be 360, take away 289, and that gives us 71 degrees.